Hello guys, my name is Alex. Today we will try to make money with you. I want to find a profitable moment using technical analysis. I also use a price glass in my trading. With it I can find large densities, large volumes and see directly the buying and selling of coins. I always open the main Bitcoin chart. I put support and resistance levels on it. I study each chart in detail. Since Bitcoin is the main coin, it sets the tone of movement for all other coins on the cryptocurrency market. At this moment in time we see a strong uptrend on Bitcoin, which is setting the tone of movement for almost all other cryptocurrencies. I have chosen an interesting coin, 1000 sets, for trading. On it I have also set K and local support and resistance levels. I predict that the coin will go up as the global trend is upwards and Bitcoin is also going upwards. If the price goes below my entry point, I will average the position and place a limit buy order. Friends, it's been about 2 hours since I started my trade. The price went down at my first buy order triggered. So the price averaged out and improved my entry point. At this point I can close my position with this profit, a great trade. My profit for one trade was $200. Guys, if you liked the video, put a finger up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, I am waiting for you in the comments under this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.